Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to personalize the Your Gym option in the FitBod application. So you need to enter the app first and you can see the Your Gym option in the top of your left corner. Click on it and you can basically personalize all of these settings once again. Now you have done it once when you have entered the app, but in case something has changed, maybe your goal have changed, that you don't want body weight only workouts, for example, but something else that requires some equipment, then you should go, for example, to available equipment and update basically the status of those. So if you got dumbbells now, or I don't know, barbell, strap bar, you should check that in and press save in the top of your right corner. Unless that is the case, nothing really should be changed, but then again, maybe your fitness goal will change, or weightlifting experience, and basically you can change all of these things that you have here once again in case it's necessary. I thought that it was important to show, because some people may think that once you have selected it when you have got into the application, when you have started out, and you cannot select it back. So yeah, you can select all these things again if it's necessary, so don't worry, not even a little bit. Now this was all that I wanted to show. I really hope that it was helpful to you, and have a good day. See you next time, and bye bye.